What's going on, guys? It's Greg, and I just got a question from a subscriber, and I think it is an amazing opportunity to make a video about this. And that is Teespring still a good place to invest your time and your efforts in 2019? Because it is getting more saturated, and is it still worth your time? Are you still going to sell shirts? So if you're in a hurry, the short answer is yes, it still is a good place to invest your time in 2019. You still can make a lot of money from it. Now, the more extended answer to this is Teespring knows that they're getting more saturated. More and more users are coming on there and making more and more campaigns. Typically, that would just flood the market and no one could sell any shirts. That's what everyone thinks is going on. But there is some behind the scenes of what Teespring is actually doing. They've implemented what's called a trust score, and that's based on your account. So owning an account that sells shirts now is very valuable because whenever you upload a shirt, it'll go straight onto the marketplace and it'll get ranked. Granted, there are a lot of things, a lot of variables that play into that SEO wise, search engine optimization, choosing the right keywords. However, generally speaking, if you have an account that has already made sales, then you will show up faster on the marketplace in Teespring. So how do you build up that trust score? Well, the best way that I can do it, and the long story short explaining this, is to use social media. So there are a couple different tactics you can use to get free traffic to your campaigns on social media, and that's absolutely where I recommend you start. So when you make your first account on Teespring, or if you haven't made a ton of sales on Teespring yet, make a bunch of campaigns and start promoting them on social media, drive the traffic directly to your campaigns or your storefront, and start to get sales. Once you start to get sales, you won't have to worry about social media anymore because you will have a trust score with Teespring. Now you can just upload as many shirts as you'd like and they will make it right onto the Teespring marketplace and they will do the boosted network and everything for you. Then you'll be selling passively from your SEO and your keywords and naturally ranking. So I hope that helps to answer the question of, is Teespring still a good place to invest your time in 2019, and can you still make money with all the saturation going on? Just keep in mind this big principle, and this actually comes from Warren Buffett in the stock market, and it applies to a lot of different businesses, especially this one, is when something bad happens in an area, something like Teespring becoming saturated and becoming the rumor that it's a place to get out. The people who get out, they don't make money. The people who are patient and stay in are the ones who make more money. Warren Buffett says it best. He said the stock market is a place for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. And the same thing applies for business and applies especially for this situation in Teespring. So 2019 is still a great place to make money on Teespring. Hopefully this video clears that up for you guys. If you want some more information about Teespring, just check out my full course. There's so much more that I can't put into YouTube videos like this. Otherwise, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you want some more stuff like this, and I will see you guys in the next one.